I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Franco, and today we will teach you how to disassemble and assemble your system unit. But first, let's talk about the components of system units and their function.
Number 1. Motherboard. A system core actually it's the heart of a computer. Other system elements are connected to motherboard, and the whole system is managed and controlled by it. Motherboard contains special chips on which some ICs integrated circuits are attached.
Number 2. Processor. A computer engine or CPU, Central Processing Unit. It manages most of a computer operations. Processors can be with pins or pinless. It contains a control unit and a logic unit.
Number 3. Random access memory. Primary memory. It stores all data processed by programs and apps on the computer. There are dynamic and static RAMs.
Number 4. Hard drive. A system memory that stores data in the form of archives. Here, all our files, folders, operating system, programs, and applications are saved.
Number 5. Optical drive is a type of computer disk that reads and writes data from optical disks. Through laser beaming technology, this type of drive allows users to retrieve, edit, and delete the content from optical disks, such as CD, DVD, and Blu-ray discs.
Number 6. Video card or graphics adapter. With its help, the outputs from a computer are displayed on the screen. Modern video cards support HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface, VGA or Video Graphics Array, and DVI, Digital Visual Interface.
Number 7. Power supply unit. Provides every part of PC with electrical power. It converts AC to DC, alternate current, and direct current. Number 8. CMOS is a reset and loses all custom settings in case the battery runs out of energy. Additionally, the system's clock reset when the CMOS loses power.
And now that we are done with the components and their functions, we will now move to the disassemble and assemble of your system unit.
lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were sown, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. From town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect